The GCH Hotel Group is not a hotel chain, it's a management company. We're managing 120 hotels, predominantly in Germany, Austria, Belgium, and controlling around about 15,000 rooms on the market. Of course, the essence of our daily business is the current rates, very visually presented to us all in real time. The rate filter function helps us in our daily view to actually zoom in to what we actually want to look at. So we can blend out, for example, premium products within our own hotel and our competitors. We can compare the daily bar to the daily bar, or the advanced purchase rate to the advanced purchase rate. It makes it a lot more easier to navigate, especially as there is so much detailed data available. The rate filter enables us to sort of drill it down and filter it out a little bit so that we can really concentrate on what we want to concentrate at that moment. Another very important module, because of our destinations like Frankfurt, Düsseldorf, Cologne, that are very high demand destinations with a lot of trade fair business, is of course the city trend. You know, not just to see what's going on within our competitive set in detail, but also to look at how much compression is on the total market, which we can of course then sort out by 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels, and look at the average rates on the market and see what's going on the actual total market outside our competitive set. The main advantage of HQ Plus is the data is in real time. It's also very well presented graphically, so that we're not having to look through loads of figures, but we're looking at charts where we can pinpoint immediately where there are discrepancies or where something needs to be looked at in more detail. We can go into so much detail at just one or two mouse clicks. It saves us a lot of time in researching the data that we need to make better pricing decisions. Also, one of the great things about HQ Plus is the rate parity check. Because the online distribution world has become so complex over the years, and we've lost a certain amount of control of what's being sold where, we can pinpoint any rate disparity issues that may come up very, very quickly with the rate parity check function, and we can also use it regularly to just keep monitoring the rate parity over various channels to make sure that is in line with our strategy. Another great feature within the product is the smart view. Obviously, with us having hotels in a lot of fair destinations, we need to be able to look at various types of booking patterns. So we don't want to just shop the one-night stays, because that would obviously return a sold out on most of the properties in a high demand period. So we now have the opportunity to shop various dates with certain minimum length of stay control behind them, to see whether these length of stay controls are being used within our competitors and at what prices these are being set at.